Alright, in this short video tutorial, I'm going to share with you exactly how to get started earning Ethereum with FORSAGE, with decentralized matrices built on the smart contract. And we are going to do it in this video tutorial using MetaMask. So the first thing you want to do is go to metamask.io and you want to click on download now. Okay? And you want to download and install the MetaMask for Chrome. So when you click on it, it's going to open up and it's a simple extension, and it's an Ethereum wallet that is connected as an extension to your Google Chrome. Okay, now you want to simply click here on this fox icon. It's going to open up. I don't know why it shows me in Russian. Probably you'll have in English. And you want to click here on create a wallet. Okay, create a wallet, and then click on I agree. You want to put in a password, minimum 8 symbols, and after you put in the password, you click on create. Okay, now it's going to give you a secret key. It's right there in this gray box. Okay, make sure to write down your secret key on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. So I'm going to go ahead and do it right now. Okay, when you click next, you want to enter the secret phrase, okay, one by one, the 12 words. So go ahead and do it right now. Okay, after you confirm the 12 words, you click on the blue button to finish, and now you have the MetaMask wallet set up with your Ethereum address. Okay, so now what I want to do is click on the deposit, and it's going to give you the address of the Ethereum to where to deposit right here. This is the address over here, and you can copy it, okay, and put and transfer Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet. Okay, I was able to translate it in English. So now you're going to see right here, deposit, view account, and you can copy it, okay, and deposit Ethereum here. Now, depending on how much you can start, now you can get started here with as little as 0.05 Ethereum in FORSAGE, okay, plus a little gas fee. What I recommend is to get at least 3 to 6 slots in both of the matrices. So to unlock 4 earning slots in both matrices, you'll need 0.77 Ethereum. To unlock 3 slots, you need 0.35 Ethereum. To unlock 5 earning slots, you need 1.55 Ethereum. To unlock 6 earning slots in both matrices, you need 3.15 Ethereum. Okay, now that you've sent Ethereum into your MetaMask wallet, and for the demonstration purposes, I've sent 0.77 Ethereum here, click on the FORSAGE link, okay, that you have from your referring person who referred you to FORSAGE, or on that you see on the screen, on the page right now, and you're going to get to this screen. Now, this is in Russian, so in case that it shows up in Russian to you, simply click on the English flag here to change the language to English. Okay, and after that, simply click on the pink button enforcing. All right, and it's going to get you to, again, choose the language English here. And what you need to click on is the registration, the green register button. It's going to pop up this window to connect and authorize, and this is how you interact the MetaMask with the FORSAGE. Okay, so you click on connect, and so then click on confirm, and now you interact with the smart contract. It's 0.05 Ethereum, and you click on confirm, and there you go. Now it's going to show on the Etherscan as a pending transaction, and in a moment it's going to be a success. Okay, so now the transaction is a success. We're going to get back here and click on automatic login. Okay, and now what you'll see is you have your ID here, and you have 2 slots activated in FORSAGE X3 and FORSAGE X4 at 0.025. Now, it's recommended that you get started with at least 3 slots open. It's 0.35 Ethereum. It's really not much. And if you really want to make more money faster, then it's recommended to start with more tables, with more slots. 4, 5, or 6 slots can be enough. If you can do more, you can start with 7 or 8 slots. Okay, and in both of those matrices. So what you want to do is to activate the next slot on 0.05, click on confirm purchase, and now you confirm this transaction with your MetaMask. Click on confirm, and it's going to be pending. Okay, and that's what you do in the next once it is activated. We're going to hit refresh and it will be green. This slot is going to keep earning you over and over and over again in FORSAGE. Okay, this is more for team building, this matrix, and this you're going to earn as well a lot from people that you refer to FORSAGE. Okay, what else you can see here? This is your affiliate link. Okay, this is your Ethereum wallet that you can check in your Ether scan, and this is the smart contract address. Okay, very, very simple. Right now there are about 300 to 400 people joining every single day, 4,917 Ethereum in profits. So let's check and refresh the screen and see if we have it already activated. So now it's active, and we do the same here in FORSAGE X4 and click on confirm. Okay, and do like this, and you repeat the process until you activate all the slots that you want. The more slots that you activate in the beginning with FORSAGE, the more you can earn, because if let's say you activate only 3 slots, okay, and you refer somebody and they activate 4 slots, then or 5 slots, then the income from these are going to go to your upline and not to you. Okay, so just wanted to be aware of that. But wherever you are, it's okay. You can work your way up in those with those slots in the matrices. So we'll wait until we refresh the screen and we'll have this green. Okay, now it's fine, and we continue on with the next one. Click on confirm. Okay, and we'll do the same for this one. So I already activated 3 slots in FORSAGE X3 and FORSAGE X4, and you just keep going. 0.2, okay, 0.2 and 0.4, and complete the rest of the slots on how much Ethereum that you have put into your MetaMask. Now you can also do it later. You can do it after you start generating profits here, and you can upgrade later. Okay, however you want to do it. This is your affiliate link. You can enable notifications right here from Telegram. It's going to show you exactly what's happening with your network, and also you can log out and you can check any user, any member, okay, in a view mode, to enter view mode, and you can see exactly transparently how much each slot has been reinvested, how many people here, everything on the blockchain. Okay, yeah, this is how you get started with MetaMask and FORSAGE. I wish you huge success and to generate a lot of Ethereum with FORSAGE. Welcome to the team.